Hello guys, how are you doing today? Welcome back to Learn English Zone. Today's video is a romantic story called The Rooftop Garden, a love story among the stars. This story is about two strangers, Emma and Leo, who meet on the rooftop of their apartment building. Both of them are escaping the noise of the city, looking for peace, and end up finding something more. Each other. Natural and emotional storytelling. Slow unpacking. Clear English for all learners. Great for listening, vocabulary, and pronunciation. Let's begin the story. Emma lived on the 5th floor of a tall apartment building in the city. Every day, the noise of cars, sirens, and people tired her. One evening, after a long day at work, she took the stairs to the top floor. She opened the door to the rooftop. Cool air touched her face. The city lights sparkled below. It was quiet up here, a place to breathe. She smiled. This would be her escape. A week later, Emma returned to the rooftop. But this time, someone was there. A man sat on a bench, reading a book. He wore glasses, had messy hair, and a cup of tea next to him. Emma froze. He looked up. "Oh, hi," he said softly. "Hi," she replied. They both smiled. "I'm Leo," he said. "I come here to read." "I'm Emma. I come here to think." They laughed. The silence between them felt comfortable. Days passed. Emma and Leo started meeting on the rooftop almost every evening. Sometimes they talked. Sometimes they just sat in silence. She brought a notebook. He brought different books. He made tea. She brought cookies. The garden on the rooftop was small, but full of flowers and herbs. Together, they took care of the plants. A quiet friendship was growing. One evening, Emma sat on the edge of the rooftop, legs crossed. "Do you ever feel lost in the city?" she asked. Leo nodded. "All the time." She looked at the streets below. "So many people, but sometimes I feel invisible." Leo closed his book. "You're not invisible. You're glowing." Emma laughed. "I think that's the streetlight." He smiled. "No, that's you." Her heart skipped. One rainy evening, Emma opened the rooftop door. Leo was already there, standing under a small umbrella. "You came," he said. "Of course. I needed some air." They stood close, listening to the rain. The flowers danced in the wind. Leo turned to her. "You make the rain feel warm." Emma looked into his eyes, and for the first time, she didn't feel alone. On a clear night, Leo brought a small telescope. "Let me show you the stars," he said. They took turns looking at the moon, the constellations, and a shooting star. Emma whispered, "Make a wish." Leo closed his eyes. Emma asked, "What did you wish for?" He looked at her, smiling. "I'll tell you later." One morning, Emma woke up early. She went to the rooftop with a small box. She planted new seeds in a corner of the garden. Lavender, sunflowers, basil. She left a note. "For Leo, let's grow something beautiful together." That evening, Leo found the note. He smiled for a long time. One evening, they talked for hours about childhood, dreams, fears. Emma said, "I wanted to be an artist, but life happened." Leo said, I wanted to be a writer, but I was too scared to try. Emma touched his hand. Maybe we still can. He looked at her. With you, I believe I can. One evening, Emma didn't come. Leo waited. He watched the door, checked his phone, waited some more, but she never arrived. He left a small paper on the bench. I missed you tonight. I hope you're okay. L. 2 days later, Emma came back. Her eyes were tired. I had a hard day, she said. Leo didn't ask more. He handed her a cup of warm tea and a blanket. They sat together without words. She rested her head on his shoulder. Another evening. The sky was soft and purple. The garden was full of color. Leo took her hand. I never told you my wish, he said. Emma smiled. Tell me now. He leaned close. I wished for you. She didn't answer. She kissed him instead. Months passed. The garden grew. So did their love. Leo started writing again. Emma began painting. One day, they planned a trip. Let's go see the stars from somewhere else, she said. But this rooftop will always be ours. Yes, Leo said, our garden in the sky. Thank you for listening to The Rooftop Garden, a love story among the stars. Did you enjoy this romantic story in simple English? Which part was your favorite? Comment below. Subscribe to Learn English Zone for more slow English stories. Keep listening helps you feel the language. Stories help you remember it. Learn English Zone, where stories grow in your heart, like flowers on a rooftop.